Hello, my name is Godfred Sarpong Jr. and I'll be taking us through the wide area network. At the end of this lesson, you will get to know what a wide area network is, the definition of a wide area network, the features of a wide area network, and some of the advantages and disadvantages of a wide area network. So let's start up with the introduction. So a wide area network connects computers over a large geographical area which is being used by governments, businesses, and the internet. It's unlike the local area network. Wide area network spans countries or even continents. All this illustrates on the distance a wide area network can cover, or a distance of which people can communicate through the wide area network. And this, as is being stated in the third point, it can wide area network spans cities, countries, or even continents. So meaning the person can be at a longer distance but still can be connected. We can also say it can also be formed by the connection of local area network, as been illustrated in this picture. We have these local area networks coming together to form the wide area network. So let's get to the definition. A wide area network is a telecommunication network that extends over a large geographical area. I also say it links multiple smaller networks such as local area networks or metro area networks. This also illustrates on the distance this network can cover. That's the wide area network can cover a large geographical area, either country to country, continent to continent, Europe to Asia. These are the type of network that helps us communicate to even our fellow family members which are abroad. Sure, it's also been connected by the connection of wide area networks. So we can also let's get to the features of a wide area network. So the features of a wide area network: it covers a large geographical area, it connects remote locations, as example trackers, drones, and all those stuff. It's slower compared to local area network. This is because of the distance the wide area network covers. And also speak of, it can be private or public. Being public, we can speak of the internet. Being private, we can speak of the VPNs too. It's also often used leased communication lines, and there's a picture to illustrate on it. That's the internet exchange, local cabinets, and businesses. So let's get to the second part, next part. That's the components of a wide area network. The components, can speak of a router which directs data packets across networks, and that's the router. That's the router over here, and directs data packets across the networks. And these are where it's being directed to. And we can also speak of the switches. That's the switch. It's also manage traffic within local area network. This one works out on the data trafficking. Yeah, the switches works on the data trafficking too. We can also speak of the modem, and there's a picture of the modem too, as illustrated in the picture. It converts digital signals for transmissions. It converts digital signals for transmission. So converting it to the switches, then it's getting distributed to the various networks. We also have transmission media, example like the fiber optics, the satellites, and the cables. And with this picture, it can be represented. It's been represented with these lines. Yeah, the transmission media is being represented with these lines. So these lines represent the fiber optics, the satellites, the cables, and all those. We have technologies used by wide area network. And speak of the leased lines, the public networks, the VPN has been stated, the frame relay, ATMs, which is being used by the banks and all that, and also satellite communication, which are being used by TVs and all those. You can also speak of examples of a wide area network. That's the internet, the banking network connecting ATMs, and also airlines reservation system, multinational companies. You can also speak of the advantage of a wide area network. It facilitates global communication. That's example through the social media. It also enables data sharing across distances. It centralized data for multinational companies like one fixed database to help get access to information when we need. Also real-time updates. Of course, that we can speak of the daily news and digital news we receive daily. Of course, we can also speak of the disadvantages too. That's a high setup and maintenance cost. It's cost when setting it up. It's also security risk because it's being exposed. It's slower compared to local area network, and the technical complexity. These are all stuffs with regards